As we age, especially after 60, our bodies become more vulnerable to inflammation, memory decline, vision problems, and chronic diseases. But what if one of the most powerful tools for protecting your brain, heart, eyes, and immune system wasn't a pill, but a small, dark blueberry backed by decades of scientific research? Blueberries are now recognized in medical science as one of the most potent functional foods for seniors. Their unusually high concentration of anthocyanins, polyphenol, and neuroprotective antioxidants has been shown in clinical studies to slow cellular aging, improve vascular function, enhance memory, and strengthen immune defenses. Researchers from institutions like Harvard, Tufts University, and the National Institute on Aging call blueberries a longevity food, because their bioactive compounds target the very mechanisms that accelerate aging: oxidative stress, inflammation, mitochondrial decline, and poor circulation. For seniors who want sharper memory, healthier eyes, stronger immunity, better heart function, and a natural way to maintain vibrant energy, blueberries may be one of the simplest, safest, and most scientifically validated foods you can add to your daily routine. And today, we're diving into the powerful research-backed reasons why every senior should be eating blueberries, and how they protect your body from the inside out. 11. Stronger bones. Thanks to vitamin K and powerful polyphenol. Most people think of calcium when they think about bone health, but vitamin K is just as essential, sometimes even more. Blueberries contain a surprisingly high amount of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in binding calcium to the bone matrix. In simple terms, it helps lock minerals into your bones, making them denser and stronger. Vitamin K also regulates bone remodeling, the natural process where old bone tissue is broken down and replaced with new, healthy bone. This is especially important as we age, when bone breakdown tends to accelerate. But blueberries offer another unique advantage: polyphenol. These special plant chemicals have been shown in studies to stimulate osteoblasts, the cells that build new bone, while at the same time lowering inflammatory markers that accelerate bone loss. In other words, blueberries support your bones from two angles. They enhance bone formation. They reduce bone breakdown. This makes them an excellent food for maintaining bone mineral density as you get older. 10. Better blood sugar control, low glycemic and anthocyanin-rich. If you're watching your blood sugar or managing diabetes, blueberries are one of the safest fruits you can enjoy. They have a low glycemic index, GI 53, which means the carbohydrates they contain are absorbed slowly. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood glucose. But what truly sets blueberries apart is their concentration of anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue color. Scientific studies show that anthocyanins increase insulin sensitivity, improve glucose uptake in muscle and fat cells, reduce insulin resistance, especially in type 2 diabetes. When your cells become more sensitive to insulin, your pancreas doesn't need to release as much of it. This supports healthier blood sugar levels and reduces strain on the body's metabolic system. Blueberries act almost like a natural metabolic stabilizer, helping your body use sugar more efficiently. 9. Helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are incredibly common, affecting around 1 in 5 adults at some point. Many people rely on cranberry juice for prevention, but blueberries offer very similar benefits because both fruits belong to the vaccinium family. Blueberries contain proanthocyanidins, the same anti-adhesive compounds in cranberries that prevent harmful bacteria, especially E. coli, from sticking to the walls of the bladder and urinary tract. When bacteria can't cling to tissue, they can't multiply or cause infection. Blueberries also provide vitamin C, which acidifies the urine and inhibits bacterial growth, antioxidants, which reduce inflammation in the urinary tract. This makes blueberries a gentle, natural way to support urinary health for both men and women. 8. Supports a healthy digestive system and microbiome. A healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body, and blueberries are one of the best fruits for improving digestive balance. Here's why. The soluble and insoluble fiber in blueberries promotes smooth bowel movements, prevents constipation, feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Blueberries have been shown to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and may help conditions such as ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, mild inflammatory bowel conditions. Blueberries do something rare for fruits. They promote the growth of lactobacilli, a beneficial bacteria family that supports digestion, immunity, and nutrient absorption. They also contain prebiotics, which act as food for probiotics. This helps strengthen the gut microbiome, making it more resilient against infections and inflammation. A healthier, more balanced digestive environment that supports weight control, immunity, and overall well-being. 7. Eye health, a powerful shield for aging eyes. Blueberries are remarkably effective at protecting your eyes, far beyond what most people realize. They are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that act like natural internal sunglasses. These compounds accumulate in the macula, the center of the retina, where they absorb harmful high-energy wavelengths, especially blue light from screens and sunlight. This is crucial because the retina is one of the most metabolically active tissues in the body, making it highly vulnerable to oxidative stress caused by UV rays, pollution, and aging. Lutein and zeaxanthin help neutralize free radicals, reducing damage that leads to cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Blueberries are also rich in anthocyanidins, pigments that strengthen the tiny blood vessels, microcapillaries, in the eyes. Studies show these compounds help inhibit abnormal blood vessel growth, a major driver of AMD, diabetic eye damage, and glaucoma progression. Even better, blueberries improve blood flow to the optic nerve and retina, supplying more oxygen and nutrients to aging eye tissues. This makes them helpful for conditions like myopia, eye strain, and even early glaucoma. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that blueberry anthocyanins increase rhodopsin regeneration, a pigment crucial for night vision and adapting to darkness. This means better vision in low-light settings, a common struggle after age 50. 6. Radiant skin and slower aging, the inside-out glow. Blueberries are sometimes called nature's anti-aging pill for a reason. They are loaded with vitamin C, commonly known as the beauty vitamin, which the skin uses to produce collagen, the structural protein responsible for firmness and elasticity. Without enough vitamin C, collagen becomes weak, leading to sagging skin and premature wrinkles. Vitamin C in blueberries also acts as a frontline antioxidant, scavenging free radicals produced by UV exposure and environmental pollutants. These free radicals accelerate skin aging, create inflammation, and damage DNA inside skin cells. Another skin-loving nutrient in blueberries is vitamin E, which helps fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. It acts as a natural exfoliant and supports faster turnover of damaged skin cells. Blueberries also contain salicylic acid, a well-known compound used in acne treatments. It helps unclog pores, dissolve dead skin cells, and kill acne-causing bacteria, making blueberries a natural ally for clear and glowing skin. They also have natural astringent properties, meaning they help regulate skin oil production and balance pH. Important for preventing breakouts and maintaining a smooth, matte look. And let's not forget the delicate skin around the eyes. Their anthocyanins help strengthen capillaries and improve circulation, reducing dark circles, puffiness, and a purple under-eye tint. A study from Rutgers University found that blueberry polyphenol activate NRF2, a gene responsible for the body's antioxidant defense system. This enhances the skin's resistance to UV damage and slows visible aging. 5. Aids in weight management, a natural fat-burning companion. If you're trying to lose weight without giving up flavor, blueberries are a smart addition. They are naturally low in calories but high in fiber, which slows digestion and increases feelings of fullness. This prevents overeating and reduces the urge to snack frequently. But the benefits go beyond appetite control. The fiber in blueberries improves digestion, encourages regular bowel movements, and nourishes the gut microbiome, a major factor in weight control, metabolism, and inflammation. Blueberries also have a surprising metabolic effect. Studies suggest that their anthocyanins can influence genes linked to fat burning and fat storage. This means they help your body more efficiently break down fat and reduce the likelihood of abdominal fat accumulation. There is even evidence that blueberries help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce levels of triglycerides, which are commonly elevated in people who struggle with weight. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily consumption of blueberry powder reduced abdominal fat and improved insulin sensitivity in overweight individuals. 2 major keys to easier weight management. 4. Immune system support. Blueberries may look small, but they are one of the most powerful immune-boosting fruits you can eat. Their rich vitamin C content plays a central role in strengthening your body's natural defense system. Vitamin C increases the production and activity of white blood cells, your immune system's frontline soldiers responsible for fighting off infections, viruses, and harmful pathogens. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C also protects these immune cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. When immune cells are constantly exposed to oxidative stress, their ability to respond to threats becomes impaired. Blueberries help prevent this by supplying antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they cause harm. Scientific evidence backs this up. Multiple clinical trials analyzed in a meta-analysis showed that vitamin C supplementation significantly reduces the duration and severity of common cold symptoms. Another scientific review highlighted vitamin C's involvement in antibody production, T-cell activity, and immune cell activation, all essential steps in mounting an efficient immune response. 3. Brain boost. If you're searching for a natural way to sharpen your memory, improve focus, and protect your brain as you age, blueberries are one of the best foods you can add to your daily routine. These berries are rich in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which play a deeply protective role in brain function. These compounds enhance neuronal communication, essentially strengthening the connections between brain cells so they can transmit signals more effectively. This improvement supports better learning, sharper memory recall, and faster processing speed. Several studies confirm this. Older adults who consumed blueberries regularly showed improvements in memory performance, better brain blood flow, and enhanced neuronal activity in regions responsible for cognitive control. Some research even suggests that blueberries may slow age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease by decreasing inflammation and protecting neurons from oxidative stress. So if you're looking for a brain-boosting snack that nurtures long-term mental health, blueberries deserve a spot on your list. 2. Supports heart health. Another major benefit of blueberries is their ability to support and protect your heart. They are naturally rich in compounds that promote healthy blood flow and reduce cardiovascular risk factors. One of these is nitric oxide, a molecule responsible for relaxing the inner muscles of blood vessels. When nitric oxide levels rise, blood vessels widen, leading to better circulation and lower blood pressure. A randomized controlled trial published in 2019 involving participants with metabolic syndrome revealed powerful results. While insulin resistance showed no significant change, consuming 1 cup of blueberries daily improved vascular function and improved cholesterol levels. These improvements translated to an estimated 12 to 15% reduction in long-term cardiovascular disease risk. Blueberries also contain antioxidants that help lower levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol, one of the earliest triggers of atherosclerosis, the dangerous process where fats and plaques accumulate inside artery walls. When LDL becomes oxidized, it sticks to blood vessel walls, causing inflammation, narrowing, and eventually blocking blood flow. In an 8-week study, consuming 50 grams, about 2 ounces, of freeze-dried blueberries daily reduced LDL oxidation by an impressive 28% in individuals who were obese. This shows just how effective blueberries can be in protecting your heart, arteries, and overall cardiovascular health. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Your body is constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress. Over time, this leads to inflammation, cell damage, and a higher risk of chronic diseases. That's why antioxidants are essential. They neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from harm. Among all fruits, blueberries rank among the highest in antioxidant content. Their antioxidant power comes mainly from anthocyanins, the pigment that gives them their deep blue-purple color. In every 100 grams of blueberries, you can find roughly 11 to 26 milligrams of these potent compounds. Anthocyanins work by donating an electron or hydrogen atom to neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging your cells. This protective action makes blueberries especially effective at reducing inflammation and supporting long-term health. In one laboratory study examining antioxidant capacity, blueberry extracts showed strong radical scavenging activity, significantly reducing oxidative stress in the cells tested. Incorporating blueberries into your diet isn't just about enjoying a sweet, delicious fruit. It's about giving your body a powerful nutritional advantage. With their rich supply of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds, blueberries support everything from your immune system and brain health to your heart and overall well-being. So enjoy them daily and let these little berries fuel a healthier, happier version of you. If you found these science-backed benefits of blueberries eye-opening, just imagine what adding a single cup a day could do for your energy, your heart, your brain, and even your skin. So here's your action step. Start including blueberries in your daily routine, whether fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie, and watch the transformation begin. But don't stop there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips backed by real science. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video, and tell us in the comments. How do you enjoy your blueberries, smoothies, oatmeal, or fresh by the handful? Your journey to better health starts with small, consistent choices. Let's build a healthier, stronger, sharper you together.